How to see Reels history on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your Reels watch history on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And here, once you are inside the Facebook app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in the menu section, simply tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. And now, once you are here on the settings section, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as activity log. And here, once you are inside the activity log, simply tap on the activity history at the top. And now here, let's filter this down. So just tap on filters and then choose categories. And under your Facebook activity, simply tap on Reels. And here from the drop down menu, simply select all, and that's it. Now you will see a full list of Reels you have watched on Facebook. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.